Welcome children. Today is worksheet number 23, acids, bases and salts. In this worksheet we will discuss about pH of salts, different salts and chemicals formed by using sodium chloride and preparation of sodium hydroxide or chlor-alkali reactions or process. First of all, we will discuss pH of salts. When a strong acid reacts with a strong base, example, hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms a neutral salt. NaCl is a neutral salt, pH value of this salt will be 7. When a strong acid reacts with weak base, strong acid, hydrochloric acid, when reacts with ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. When these two reacts with each other, they form acidic salt. Acidic salt means salt which is acidic in nature. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is an acidic salt, and pH value of ammonium chloride is less than 7. When strong base reacts with weak acid, strong base sodium hydroxide reacts with H2CO3 carbonic acid, which is a weak acid, it forms basic salt. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate is a basic salt, and pH value of this salt will be more than 7. Now, what is rock salt? Rock salt is the natural form of crystalline mineral which is known as salt or rock salt. Chemical formula of rock salt is sodium chloride. The salt which we used in our day-to-day life for making food, this salt is refined form of rock salt. In Hindi it is called sendha namak. Chemical formula of this rock salt is sodium chloride NaCl. Now the chemicals which are prepared by using sodium chloride. सोडियम क्लोराइड से हम कौन कौन से केमिकल्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तैयार करते हैं बाय यूजिंग सोडियम क्लोराइड. फर्स्ट वन इज सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NaOH. सेकेंड वन इज ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. केमिकल नेम ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड एंड फार्मूला इज CaOCl2. बेकिंग सोडा जिसे हम खाने का सोडा कहते हैं, NaHCO3 sodium hydrogen carbonate, or it is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O. 10 molecules of water are attached with sodium carbonate Na2CO3, which is known as washing soda. So all these chemicals are prepared by using sodium chloride. Sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of NaCl, which is known as brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide कैसे बनता है बच्चों? When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of NaCl, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide, and this process is known as chlor-alkali process. When electricity is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, तो प्रोडक्ट कौन से बनते हैं? प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, क्लोरीन गैस एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. क्लोरीन गैस हमें कहाँ मिलती है? एट एनोड वी गेट क्लोरीन गैस, और क्लोरीन गैस इज लिबरेटेड. At cathode, hydrogen gas is liberated. Near cathode, sodium hydroxide solution is formed, and this process is known as chlor-alkali process. बच्चों इसे हम chlor-alkali process क्यों कहते हैं? Why it is called chlor-alkali process? Because during this reaction, chlor यानी chlorine gas means chlorine gas, and alkali sodium hydroxide is formed. That is why this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Now, what are the uses of product formed during the chlor-alkali process? First one is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas का क्या use है? What are the uses of hydrogen gas? Hydrogen gas is used as a fuel. Fuel की तरह use की जाती है, and hydrogen gas is used for making artificial butter, that is called margarine. Next, chlorine. chlorine gas is used for water treatment. It is used for purification of water. PVC, polyvinyl chloride, which is a plastic. Chlorine gas is used for making PVC or plastic. CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, which are used for which are used in refrigerators and air conditioners. Chlorofluorocarbons, so chlorine gas is used for making chlorofluorocarbons. HCl, by the reaction of hydrogen and chlorine, hydrochloric acid or HCl is obtained. HCl is used for cleaning steels and it is used for making different medicines. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज़ यूज फॉर डीग्रीसिंग मेटल्स, मेटल से ग्रीस हटाने के लिए, फॉर मेकिंग सोप्स और डिटर्जेंट्स बनाने के लिए, एंड ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन पेपर इंडस्ट्री और पेपर मेकिंग. Chlorine, when reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms bleach. And what is the use of bleach? Household bleaches, and it is used, bleach is used for household bleaches and for bleaching fabrics. कपड़ों को ब्लीच करने के लिए यूज़ की जाती है. These are the detailed uses of hydrogen, chlorine gas, hydrogen gas and NaOH. Hydrogen gas is used as a fuel for making margarine, artificial butter, and for using ammonia for fertilizers. Chlorine gas is used for water treatment, for the purification of water, for cleaning the water of swimming pool, and in making PVC is a type of plastic, polyvinyl chloride, and disinfectant for killing the germs, and for making CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, and for making pesticides. These are the uses of chlorine gas. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NaOH is used for degreasing the metals, मेटल से ग्रीस हटाने के लिए, for soap and detergents, पेपर मेकिंग और आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स बनाने के लिए सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज यूज्ड. When hydrogen and chlorine gas reacts with each other, they form hydrochloric acid, and hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning the steel, and ammonium for making ammonium chloride, and also used for making medicines and use in cosmetics. सौंदर्य प्रसाधन में उपयोग की जाते हैं. When chlorine gas is reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms bleach. And what is the use of bleach? It is household bleaches used in household bleaches, and also for bleaching fabric, वस्त्रों को bleach करने के लिए. Now we will discuss question answer. What is chlor-alkali process? Why it is called so? Chlor-alkali process क्या होती है बच्चों? Chlor-alkali process is when electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form NaOH or sodium hydroxide. This process is known as chlor-alkali process. Why it is called so? It is called chlor-alkali process because during this reaction, chlorine gas and an alkali named sodium hydroxide is formed. That is why this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Second question is, what is brine solution? Brine solution क्या होता है? Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called brine solution. जब हम सोडियम क्लोराइड को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं तो वी विल गेट एक्वस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. दिस सॉल्यूशन इज नोन एज ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन. Which gas is liberated at anode during the chlor-alkali process? Which gas is liberated बच्चों? Chlorine gas is liberated at anode during the chlor-alkali process. Give any two uses of gas. You can give any two uses of chlorine gas for purification purpose, for making different substances. Name the chemical used in soap and paper making. Name the chemical which is used in soap and paper making. तो ये कौन सा केमिकल है बच्चों? The name of chemical is sodium hydroxide, and formula of this sodium hydroxide is NaOH. So you have to write NaOH. Chemical formula of this chemical is NaOH and name is sodium hydroxide. Next question, write any two uses of hydrogen gas and two uses of hydrochloric acid. You have to write the uses of hydrochloric acid as well as hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas के क्या use हैं बच्चों? It is used as a fuel. It is used in making artificial butter, which is called margarine. What are the uses of HCl? Hydrochloric acid, cleaning for steels, and hydrochloric acid is used in making different medicines. Thanks for watching.